Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Friday, November 14th, and this is my analysis for gold. We're starting on the daily time frame, working down to the 1 hour time frame. So on the daily, we still got our Fibonacci retracement from here to here. We are sitting at the 61%, which is the area that I thought could be the area where this wave B or wave 2 turns. Now, if it really is the end of a wave B or wave 2, it would probably go down for like this, for like a big old wave C, or possibly even a big wave 3. So we do need to keep an eye out for a possible turn, especially on a little bit of a shorter time frame. So taking it down to the 1 hour time frame. On the 1 to 2 hour time frame, we definitely have a series of higher highs, higher lows the whole way up. Then we have a nice break of structure. So we do have a possible turn in the market. So I would be looking at this first push down as maybe the first break. And then this possibly is the pullback. If we can get short right here, it could possibly be a big move to the downside. We got our Fibonacci retracement on here just in case, though, because if it just goes down to a fib level, then breaks back up, then we definitely want to continue to be bullish at that point. On the other hand, if it just keeps on making lower lows, lower highs, and a very impulsive move to the downside, then we would just stay short, continue to look for shorts, and maybe it would be a big reversal on the daily, like a big wave 3 or possibly a big wave C. So, anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.